How's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. It's a Monday, so this is the first day of the week for me doing one of these, so this is kind of cool. Happy to be here. Let's get started. So, yeah, 3,000, what is this? 3,000 something. 3,090 something is this review. This is Nongshim Oolong Men. And it's beef flavor. Yeah. All I know of oolong is a type of tea, and maybe that's in this, but I should look that up. Maybe oolong is a place. Maybe it's just a style. Either way, let's see what we got here. This burner's cool now. I was making some eggs, as I often do. So here's the cup, sans outer area, and it came with a, of course, noodle block and vegetables and a sachet of seasoning. There it is. And this one I got up in the good old Canada of A, Canada. This is actually made in the US of A, but it's from, I got this in the Canada of A. And there's a fill line, and it says to microwave it. Yeah, lately I've been doing microwave instructions when they're available, and it's kind of interesting because I don't always have the opportunity to do that. Microwave for 3 minutes. You got a wattage for me? 1,000 watt. Cool. That's just what we got. So 3 minutes with room temperature water. There we go. Oh, Nit. Oh, no. There's stuff in front of the microwave. Ugh. It'll be alright. Just fine. Alright, there we go. So yeah, I don't know if you noticed, I'm wearing green pants. I've never had colored pants. I used to, when I was younger, I feel like I have to set the timer, but the microwave does that. When I was younger, I used to wear corduroy pants all the time, and I think I had a pair of green ones of those, but I like black ones and tan ones. I might have had a pair of green ones, but cords are pretty comfy too. Wasn't a skater, but just I enjoyed the pants. But these are green pants, so I'm happy. And my mom had her birthday yesterday. Happy birthday. We all went out to, what do you call it, Olive Garden, and I had to figure out something to eat there because I'm on my diet. Not too hard, I just didn't eat a whole lot in the morning and the afternoon, and when we got there I still had like tons and tons of calories to go, so I got some shrimp with, what was it, shrimp scampi, and honestly, it tasted like a lean cuisine or a budget gourmet. It was, yeah, it was sad. Do you want the super salad? No, no. It comes with. I'm like, not with me. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Actually got home and had like way more calories left than I normally have after dinner anyways, so that was cool. And yeah, so my mom had a good birthday and we all went up there and the kids went insane at Olive Garden and people looked at us funny. It's good times. I love that. I do. I like to inconvenience other adults with the fact that we have children. It's like, You know, I know I'm seeing you like trying not to stare and like look like you're gonna start growling, but you know, you were a kid once too, so yeah. Kids make noise. It's just the deal. Trust me, we know. Yeah, I'll never understand that one. It's like, oh, kids making noise. It's like, sorry, what do you want us to do? Take out their larynxes? We looked into that. It's not legal. But yeah. Yeah. And yeah. So I've switched to doing 3 reviews a day, and it's been going pretty well. It's like right now, things microwaving. Alright. Now, do we need an extra minute for it just to chill? Microwave for 3 minutes, stir well, and serve. So I'm going to dump it into this just a moment. I'm going to dump it in there. Nothing looks to have exploded. Damn! So if you dump it into a pot like that, the steam that comes off of it is a bear, so it's like the steam at the bottom, and it actually get burnt with water. I got burnt with steam, but I knew there was a risk going in. So anyways, looks as though the noodles are about as well cooked as they could possibly be. Yeah. And let's give them a taste real quick. The review portion. It's so weird doing it this way, and I've been told you should like just give the score in the video. I'm like, no, you gotta wait for the video and the post to come out. I can tell you the first things I taste, though. First thing I taste is mushroom, as far as a flavoring. The noodles have kind of a gumminess to them, which is neither here nor there. The broth has an initial beef hit and then kind of fades back to mushroom again. As for the vegetable bits, I spy with my eye some TVP and mushroom that didn't hydrate well enough. Okay. That right there gives me a score. And that score is the score. And that's it. It's really like, but you have to eat the whole bowl. It's like, no, I don't. Wine reviewers don't drink the whole bottle. Well, maybe some of them do, but I guess that would be more fun. But yeah, I'm good, and I'm being good, which is horribly hard at times. Here's some beef that I boiled up. Like, boiled? It's like, yeah. It's tough because I don't always know what to do with beef, and it's just like, meh, it's beef. It's beef flavor. Here's some beef. I've been known to use roast beef, which I prefer to use, but this boiled beef works pretty well. Let's go with a couple sprouts. I don't know, those are just gonna be too stark. So here's some spring onion, And what the heck, we'll try one of these eggs. I made a batch of eggs that I think probably didn't come out the greatest, but we can hope. I mean, hey, they have a yolk. They boiled long enough, that's for sure. Jeez, maybe not. Dude, I boiled these for so long. Come on. Wow. That is a hot mess. Isn't that what they call it? A hot mess? I mean, it's definitely done up. One and a 2 and a 3. That'll work. That's a little gloppy though, jeez. Like I said, I didn't think these came out the best, but what can we put on top? How about some, you guessed it, crispy fried onions. I think that's good. Don't you? All right. Oh, that's from, I got you. Anyways, here we have our lovely bowl of Nongshim Oolong Men. And so, yeah. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family. And watch some of these things. I know every once in a while they won't pop up. That's just because I didn't put them there and I was lazy and I forgot, or I was too busy doing other stuff. And if they're not there, then just try to find more. There's lots more. This video is in the 150s. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.